Hwk18 question 1 asks us to firstly to differentiate this expression, and then part B asks us to integrate this expression. So before we do any integration or differentiation, we need to get each of our terms in the form ax to the n. So to start off then, another way of writing 8 over x squared is 8x to the minus 2. And then root x can be written as x to the half, and the 3x and the 1 just stay as they are. And now, once we've got everything in the correct format, we can actually differentiate. So remember the rule for differentiating: multiply by the power and then reduce it by 1. So minus 16 x to the minus 3 minus 2 x to the minus a half. 3x just becomes 3 and the minus 1 disappears. So minus 16x to the minus 3 minus 2x to the minus half plus 3 is your answer. If you want to write it without the negative powers here, you could write this as minus 16 over x cubed minus 2 over x to the half, so that's root x, plus 3. Either of these is fine as an answer. Part B then asks us to integrate this expression. So we've already got it written in the correct format. So if we integrate, remember the rule: increase the power by 1, divide by the new power. So 8x to the minus 1 divided by minus 1 minus 4x to the 3 over 2 divided by 3 over 2 plus 3x to the 2 divided by 2, and the minus 1 becomes minus x. And don't forget, because there's no limits, we have a constant of integration coming in. This line is what picks you up your method marks. So I wouldn't simplify this straight away. Actually write this line down and simplify it on the next one. So 8 divided by minus 1 is minus 8. So minus 8x to the minus 1. 4 divided by 2/3 is the same as, 4 divided by 3 over 2 is the same as 4 multiplied by 2/3. So this gives us 8/3 x to the 3 over 2. And then 3 over 2 x squared minus x plus c. And as an answer, that's fine. Again, if you want to get rid of these fractional and negative powers, you could write this as minus 8 over x minus 8/3. Now this is going to be x multiplied by root x. It's x to the 1 times x to the half, and 1 plus a half gives you 3 over 2. And then the rest of the terms are as they're written. And again, either of these last two lines is fine for a final answer.